Good afternoon, everyone. We, Team ACE from Mumbai, are here to present our project, Drishya. This is a project that we have designed for visually impaired or blind people. Here, we have designed a smart glasses that works as a personal assistant for them, that works on voice command. We have a wake up button. Here, the wake up, when I press this button, the voice assistant starts itself. And depending upon the command I give, it will give me an output. We have attached sensors to it that detects obstacles and camera that detects face recognition and OCR. Whenever the person is walking on a road, it will detect an obstacle coming or a person, so it will give an output that the person or the obstacle is present at a distance of certain centimeters from themselves. Approximately, it will give us the distance. And the face recognition, I can store the number of faces in my database, customized according to different users. And if the person is walking in a crowd, the camera will recognize that person and give an output that this person is present in front of me or this person is present in the front of crowd.
There is also navigation system like if I want to go to any nearest metro station, then it will guide the user. Same like Google Maps, after 500 meters take right, take left, like that the user can be guided through the voice output. There is also SOS emergency contact and messages functions. In the market, this type of glasses are available, but the cost is too much so that everyone cannot afford it. So our main objective of this project was to build a cost-effective smart glasses, which can be helpful and easy to purchase to everyone's pocket.